Whoa. We got crazy weather going on right now, dude. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah, maybe I'll get my chance to catch me a lightning bolt now. Because we was looking last night, wasn't we?
Yeah, I'm surprised we didn't get a couple on there.
Whoa, there was another flash. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Dang. I didn't think it would be this bad.
Ooh, what? Ooh, ooh. Look, see how it's slowing down like this?
Yeah.
It's still flying sideways right there, but look, that's not good kind of sometimes. That means, look, we're two. Whoa. I just felt that in my feet. It shook the freaking thing I'm standing on a little bit. Whoa, there's lightning.
Okay, I'm going back to the room. It's raining a little bit cold.
No, it's kind of flying sideways right now. It's like, ooh. Oh yeah, this is definitely a storm. It's like I can really feel the wind just flying around everywhere. Ooh. I mean, there's good chances I'm gonna I'll catch a bolt, man. That bird went flying by. That was kind of. Ooh. Oh yeah, this wind changing directions. Wow. Definitely changed directions. That was weird. It was going south, but now it just kind of, whoa. I'd have seen it. It looked like a cloud came flying around that corner. Ooh. What up? Yeah, sorry about that. Lingering here. I was trying to catch a picture of the lightning bolt. Yeah. Oh, there went one too right then. I don't know if I caught it or not. Have you seen the weather? Are they saying tornadoes or anything? Yeah, I didn't know anything about it, man. I was oblivious. Then it's time to go. Yeah, at least we got a base main. Yeah. Yeah, it's really a whipping. Yeah, stopped, man. Freaking, that's kind of the direct wind directions are kind of changing a lot.
Oh, yeah.
It's like, yeah, it might get crazy. I don't know. I hope not.
Just thinking.
Yeah, probably. It's good for. Ooh, there. I might have got one there. It's good for the plants.
Yeah.
Oh, there it went again. It's the lightning causes nitrogen content in the rain to go up, so it's good. It's even better for the plants when it's in a lightning storm. I just heard that secondhand information from some farmers. Yeah, I didn't know that either, but kind of makes sense.